Can mine? Basically, today I really need some help filming a top 5 Supreme accessories video in real life, but I can't really do it on my own. Do you mind coming around? Cheers, mate. See you in a mo. Callum. Callum, so are you on your way? You are? Alright, cool. I'll see you in a minute.
Yo, Ari, I'm here.
Callum, bro, it's not working. The door's broken or something.
Yo, Ari's calm. I always got my bricks, so I'll just throw it through.
No, don't, bro, don't.
Okay, yeah, that's cool, bro. That's cool.
Bro, I got my crowbar, I'll like wrench it open or something. Hello, Geeza. Hey, Geeza. What do you actually want to do today?
Basically, I was thinking, why don't we do a collab with pictures again, and then you tag me in your account so I'll get more followers from it?
What, like I tagged you on my Instagram?
Yeah.
I was thinking like maybe more like we just go and grab food or something.
Oh yeah, but I was joking anyway. So yeah, let's just go get wasabi or something, bro.
Yeah. Bro, how are we gonna get to this restaurant?
Obviously, just call a taxi.
Taxi?
Bro, it's not even too far.
Nah, mate, I really can't afford a taxi right now. I think I'm gonna have to get my motorbike.
Motorbike?
Mm-hmm. Bro, I got it so quick on that motorbike. But they're not working.
They're Supreme, it should work.
I know they're Supreme, but they're just not working.
Tastes good, Geeza.
I hope you enjoyed that video. I really enjoyed making it. Me, Callum and Ben, we all really enjoyed making it. We had a really hilarious day shooting it and stuff. It was all for you guys, all for the content, trying to keep it fresh on my new channel. So yeah, I'll leave all their links and stuff to Instagrams and YouTubes down below, so make sure you go and show them boys some love. Also, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe right now. Yeah, I'm trying to smash it right now on YouTube. I'm so close to 100k. I'm like the 3/4 of the way. So yeah, and also I'm giving away another one of these box logos. I have another box logo right here that I'm giving away to you guys when I hit 100k. I'm gonna roll the clip right now of me explaining how to enter it. I'm in Presented By store in London, and basically I'm here to tell you quickly that me and Presented By are doing a mad giveaway for some crazy Supreme. We are giving away this 2017 box logo worth like nearly £1,000, but all you have to do is you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ari Petru, so make sure you subscribe there, mateys. And then the other thing you gotta do is you gotta click the link down below and download the new Presented By store app. It's a madness, there's always sneakers, Supreme, all that stuff, so make sure you download the app, make sure you get me to 100k on YouTube. Your boy's so close, and let's get into the video. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm wrapping it up right here. Make sure you subscribe to enter the giveaway, download the app as well, as I said in that clip. Try and get me to 100k, I'm really grinding for that 100k, I want that plaque. It's been your boy Ari Petru, follow me on Instagram as well, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, innit.
Oh shit.